Ever since an update a couple of months back, if you try to play a TV show, a live TV show that is being streamed from your PLEX server, you will almost definitely get the same problem as I'm having. I have found a workaround to enable you to watch live TV shows. Let me show you what happens. So the picture won't be very good. Let me just bring it up. Selecting live TV, and you get the list of your local TV channels. Let's just press BBC One for now. You press the button and you get the spinning circle of death. And it doesn't matter how long you wait, you will never get the actual TV show coming up. A workaround for it is you must always try and select the program first, or else doing this will not work. While it's still spinning, press the picture of yourself on the button there, and then go down to settings, advanced, wait for that, and then reset cache. When it's told you it's actually finished, you must completely, and this is important, completely exit the PLEX app. Close all. Then go back into the PLEX app. And now, back to your live TV. And the next time you press that.
For the weekend, that's Chelsea against Liverpool. Also tomorrow at 5:30 on BBC Sounds, and then on Sunday, coverage of the Singapore Grand Prix also on Sounds from
playing.
10 to 1. And the best of the weekend's
Unfortunately,
is on BBC News at 6:30 and 7:30 tomorrow and Sunday.
Unfortunately, you have to do this every single time you want to watch a live TV show. Hopefully PLEX will get it fixed, the problem fixed soon, as it becomes quite a problem. Anyway, thanks for watching. Apologies for my speech. It's due to Parkinson's.